Keep your identity. Love should add to your life, not replace it. Let's talk about something most people don't realize until it's already happened. At some point, you looked up and realized you weren't the same person anymore. Not because you grew, but because you disappeared trying to keep someone. This video is for anyone who's ever felt like love cost them their identity. Here's how it usually starts. You don't wake up one day and decide to lose yourself. It happens quietly. You stop speaking up to avoid arguments. You cancel plans because they don't like your friends. You put your goals on pause because the relationship needs more attention. And slowly, the life you had before them starts shrinking. That's not love. That's self-erasure. Society sold us the wrong idea of love. We were taught that love means sacrifice at all costs. That losing yourself proves how deeply you care. That being too independent means you don't love enough. But here's the truth. If love requires you to abandon who you are, it's not connection, it's control. Real love doesn't demand your identity as proof. Let's get real. You might be losing yourself if you feel guilty for enjoying things without your partner. You hesitate to share your opinions. Your world revolves around their mood. You can't recognize the person you were before the relationship. If that hit a nerve, pause the video for a second. Awareness is the first step back to yourself. Healthy love doesn't consume you. It adds. It supports your growth. Encourages your independence. Respects your boundaries. A healthy partner doesn't compete with your dreams. They clap while you chase them. Love should feel like expansion, not confinement. If you've lost pieces of yourself, here's how you start reclaiming them. 1. Reconnect with your passions. Do one thing this week that has nothing to do with your partner. 2. Rebuild your voice. Speak your truth, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. 3. Set boundaries without apology. You don't need permission to be whole. 4. Observe how they respond. The right person won't feel threatened by your growth. Your identity is not negotiable. Here's something many people avoid admitting. If someone only loves you when you're small, silent, or dependent, they don't love you. They love the version of you that benefits them. And you deserve better than that. Love should never require you to disappear. Keep your dreams. Keep your voice. Keep your identity. Because the right love won't replace your life. It will add to it. If this video resonated with you, like it, share it with someone who needs this reminder. And subscribe for more honest conversations about love and self-worth.